All right, what's up, boo? We are shopping for nuts at a Publix in Florida. First of all, next to the nut section is this. Can you even imagine how good this tastes? Twix popcorn. And the ingredients are cancer. We're not even gonna read these ingredients because there's absolutely no point. But by the way, they got Fruity Pebbles. They got Sour Patch popcorn. How gross. Oreo popcorn, M&M popcorn. My goodness. Things have changed. Oh. Things have changed since I've been a kid because I never had motherfucking Snickers popcorn. We digress. Okay, so how do you pick out nuts if you're trying to be healthy? First of all, upon quick glance, I don't see any healthy nuts here at all. I'm looking for organic. I don't see them. The closest I can find is these Back to Nature cashews. Okay, let's look. You always look at the ingredients. And there is, my phone refuses to focus. There's sea salt in here. So, we don't want that because salt is extremely dehydrating. So we never, ever want to consume salt. Okay. So, yeah, I would recommend you get your nuts and your seeds online on Amazon, even though I know we don't want to support the big conglomerates. But as you can see, and the bulk section, they don't have any unsalted nuts either, I checked. So yeah, there are absolutely no healthy nuts here. We have some unsalted peanuts, but you never really want to consume peanuts because they are filled with mold and pretty much toxic to the human body. I wouldn't recommend, they're dry roasted too. You're not going to find raw peanuts in the store because they go really bad. Very quickly. They go bad very, very quickly. So they're always going to be roasted. Yeah, this is a damn shame. There are no nuts in this store. Now, I was looking for the nut butter to show you guys how to pick out your nut butter. But I cannot find it. So anyway, this is my little shopping cart situation. I got some apples, some grapes, 2 of the Sugar Kiss melons, some celery under there. And I'm going to make apple carrot ginger juice tomorrow for Alwa's mom. I hope she likes it. And I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Look at all the colors here. I wonder why they have things so colorful. Wonder why. It's a scam. It's a scam. Everything's colorful so that you're gonna buy it because we're attracted to colors. Like fruit. Look at this. Oh, this stuff is so gross. And even the stuff that is supposedly healthy is not healthy. Remember when you were a kid and you thought these Fig Newtons were healthy? This was the healthiest thing I ate. Now let's look at the ingredients. If my phone could focus. Okay. Whole grain wheat flour, figs, sugar, corn syrup, which is also known as high fructose corn syrup, invert sugar, soybean and or canola oil. I like when they say and or. It's you don't even know what's in here, do you? Soluble corn fiber, palm oil. How much oil do you need? Oat fiber, salt, resistant corn maltodextrin, baking soda, calcium lactate, malic acid, soy lecithin, sodium benzoate, natural and artificial flavors. Thank you so much for that. Sulfur dioxide, and that's it. Alrighty. Not ideal. Not ideal. Remember, natural flavors is an umbrella term for over 100 chemicals. Oh my God. Speaking of chemicals, this is the last thing I'm going to look at. Do you even know how many of these I ate in my life? Who remembers these? These were the unofficial, official food of poor people when I was growing up. And I fucking ate these like a motherfucker. Okay, here we go. Of course, there's milk and eggs in here. Oh, how gross. Natural and artificial flavors, mono and diglycerides. Okay. We don't really know what this stuff is. Ugh, whey, eggs, leavening. This is a damn shame. Okay. Well, that's a shame. But that's why I had to go raw, because I had so many fucking health problems from eating all this shit. Okay? You have 100 trillion cells in your body. That's a 1 with 14 zeros. And every single cell is made up of what you're eating. So be fucking careful. If you're not okay with being made up of this stuff, then please get your shit together Maybe you're going to join my course. I don't know. But get your fucking shit together, boo. Because you're literally walking on a motherfucking tightrope. Okay? When you're eating these things, you are taking chances. And you know what? When you take grace for granted, grace is no longer granted. So keep on eating this shit with your fucking elves. Oh my God. You see, even standing in this aisle too long, I kind of want this stuff. Like, look how good this looks. And so that's why I'm only in this aisle to talk to you guys. I never come in this kind of fucking aisles. This kind of aisles, this is for this is drugs, and I'm a drug addict. So that's why I went raw. Okay? Because I'm not a drug addict, I'm a food addict. But like, this is not food. This is drugs. And I'm susceptible to having an addictive personality. So that's why I stay away from these aisles. When you're going shopping, you go to the fruit. Oh, how many of these did I eat? Okay, we'll analyze those later. But you go to the fruit, vegetables, frozen fruit section, and you get the fuck out of the store. Don't even go down these aisles. Okay? Shop somewhere else. Oh my God, look how giant those. Okay. Love you guys so much. And I'll see you on the flip side. It's really late, so that's why it's empty. Okay, bye guys. Hi. How are you doing? I'm good.